Ready. No, ready. Yeah. Right down. Yeah, people, so today we're in our town again. I want to know now we're coming with something new. So we have a trick question in our town.
No, this is a vox pop, not a trick question.
But a trick question in our town.
A vox pop.
Vox pop? What is a vox pop, dog? What's a vox pop?
It's a question here. Anyway, so watch now. This video was sponsored by Bridge.
Official, they don't know you couldn't down. Link in the description. Want to copy merch, they don't know you couldn't down already. See
get you wrong already.
Yeah.
You're wrong, no. Electronic store. You know now. So watch now, people. Click the link in the description. Get your bad merch, get your bad drip. Anytime you're ready. Watch now, people. Leave a like, leave a comment.
And leave a subscribe.
So watch now, people. Every time, every day, every hour,
every minute, every second,
every video.
Day.
Oh. On to the next.
Thanks for 100K.
Subscribers. Reach 100K?
No, not reach it, but we know we are going to reach it. So watch on the people, pick up on yourself in.
Really blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Tayshan.
What? Who?
Tayshan.
Oh, Tayshan. Jeff. Fully out of Jeff.
Alright, so today we're there with Image. Don't know. So watch now we are playing.
Check out the kicks. Gucci palm feet.
Oh man! Alright.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with.
Oh, hi. My name is Serena. Alright, Serena.
What's your name?
Serena. Yeah.
You're neat, you know? So watch now. N.
Balex.
Who?
Balex, my name, you see?
Balexiaga.
Ball X.
Yeah, Balex. Yeah.
Oh.
Ball X.
B Alex.
What?
We don't want B in front side.
Oh, okay.
It's your boy Melt, you understand?
So who?
One Melt.
Yeah?
No do that.
So watch now.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with.
Which thing though?
New flex. No, sorry.
New flex.
Watch now.
Yeah, new flex. The girl them
New
new
flex.
man.
Girl, them duplex. Yeah, people, so today we're there with. Oh, come back here, man, with that fat ass. Come over here. Look at that sexy selfie over there.
You're funny.
Just turn to the camera and let them see the shape. Jesus Christ.
Just stay off your side.
Yeah, stay up there.
If you're inside, if you're inside video.
I can stay that way as well. Wow, look at that view. Okay, alright.
Aju, ready?
So today we're there with.
Oh, why?
Put down the bag. Thank you very much, ma'am. So today we're there with.
Wale D.
Nah, molest me. Hold on.
What? Brother! Yo, stop cover. That they file corrupt.
Nah, brother, you not put up a thing in a made. What a bomb! Yeah, people, so today we're there with. Don't know, times 2.0 Jamaican greatest YouTuber. That is it, my father. Jamaican greatest YouTuber.
That is it, my father.
Times 2.0 for like that, on the IG, you mean too, on the TikTok.
Anyways, 3 questions.
Get the cheer them right again, get our toes like. So now the first question is, what's the bridge? A, a shoe brand. B, a clothing brand. C, a electronic store.
Clothing brand.
Where's it?
Clothing brand.
Where's it?
Clothing brand.
Where's it?
Alright, that is it.
Where's it?
Clothing brand.
Alright.
That is it. So watch now.
So the second question is, what do you do with bridge?
Look, I wear it.
What's in the Avon bridge?
How much bridge you have?
Eh?
Much bridge you have?
Me no remember.
Alright. Third one.
The question is, what's the bridge slogan?
Yeah, man. That is it.
Alright, A. Every journey requires a bridge. B. Every journey starts with the bridge. C. The journey is the bridge.
Ding.
One thing me know, you know.
Wow.
My mother always tell me to start with the alphabet with A.
Where's it? A?
Yeah, last answer. Yeah, 5 seconds think about it.
No, you have to tell me. Exactly what is. Alright. A. Every journey requires a bridge. B. Every journey starts with the bridge. C. The journey is the bridge. You have to tell me which one. Tell me exactly which one.
Yeah, 5 seconds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
A.
What is A?
The journey requires the bridge.
Alright. What up, brother?
One square beer to the voodoo. Thank you very much.
Just like that. Just like that. All right, so watch out, people. On to the next.
On to the next.
We ask 3 questions.
Yeah.
3 questions, you win $1,000. You say
Is
ready
it?
for that?
So first question. What's bridge? What's the bridge?
What's the bridge?
Yeah, what is a bridge?
Clothing store.
A-
Electronic
like
store.
one chocolate.
What?
That's
What is the bridge? Hold on, I'm a jar feed.
Hold on, that's the aspect quick.
Like,
You have to
the one
cross
where you
it.
cross. You cross. Bridge where you cross.
Bridge way across.
Bridge way
All right.
across.
All right.
Second question.
What do you do with bridge? Burn them, cross them, or wear them?
You cross bridge.
All right. All right. All right.
All right,
All right.
that's the last answer.
Tell us answer.
Yeah.
All right.
Third question.
What's the bridge slogan?
What's the big slogan?
Slogan.
Eh,
Yeah, tid.
eh.
Stamina no. What's my bridge slogan?
Hey, what's the big slogan? Go on, man. Anything you say?
We cross, car we cross.
Boom, man! We cross, car, we cross. Nah, man.
So unfortunately, you did
never
not
get
get
one of them right.
not one
One
right.
of them. You
The
what?
second one, none of them not right, my general. Cause bridge is a clothing brand. Oh, for real. Hey, we make you know you answer them when you come off our ear. So watch on the people. On to the next. And we give you 3 questions.
And
If you answer 3 questions, them you gonna get $1,000.
$1,000 sponsored by Bridge. People
Is it?
check out the link in the description to get the bad trip.
What's no?
First question.
First question. What is the bridge? What is bridge? What's bridge?
What's Bridge?
Feel like clothesline.
Hey, just look for the shot.
the shot,
He just look for the shot, darling. Come on, look for the shot. All right, so first question gone, you know, my friend.
Yeah. So boom. What's the bridge slogan?
Hey.
Where you look for? Where you look?
Yeah, man.
Where you look?
Hey.
Cover man.
Yeah, man. Go on, look. Go on, look.
No, I don't know. I'm not telling.
Guess, try something.
Yes.
Wear it, believe it,
Achieve it.
achieve it.
All right.
They get that wrong.
The third question. What do you do with the bridge? A, burn them. B, cross them. C, wear them.
Well, that's so weird.
What you do with the bridge? Not what we do with it. What you do with the bridge?
Weird them.
Yeah, wear bridge. Much
Wear
bridge
bridge.
have.
Eh?
Much bridge have.
Going to the store.
Don't to the store. All right.
All right.
Come to the store.
Unfortunately, you did not win the
Yeah, because
$1,000.
people say,
Oh, you have to go talk to.
go
You have to go
five
talk to Dishan. You have to go
man,
talk
say
to
wear it,
Dishan.
believe it, and achieve it. I don't wish long that, but thanks to Kevin, too crazy. Watch. So we have 3 questions, right? If you get to 3 of them right, you get $1,000 sponsored by Bridge. Okay?
Aye.
So watch out. The first question.
is, what's the bridge?
The bridge is a clothing brand, guys.
Oh, you know that.
Because when I wear it though,
You wear it?
you know, if you give me one of them, I can wear it.
Bomba.
Mr. Dishan.
You're hearing her, Mr. Dishon? Just contact her. Contact us to contact her.
What's
Mr.
on now?
Dishon.
What's on now?
All right,
What's
next
the bridge slogan?
What's the Bridge slogan? Logan.
Every journey requires the bridge.
Oh, you know
Our
that.
shirt, you read.
Oh, you know that. Oh, you know that.
Because guys, I follow you guys on every social media.
What we name on social media?
Jaja.
All right.
What's on now?
Style, you know.
What do
Style.
you do with the bridge? Yo,
Wear them
cross them,
or burn them.
I burn them.
Wear them.
Oh, you know that.
Burn them down.
How you know that?
Because it's a clothing brand.
All right.
Look at the chair them, man. Give me $1,000, man. Come me pocket. Walla, you know.
Go on, you're gonna miss Mr. Dishon. She says she needs Bridge.
Don't give me money.
Alright, we'll give it.
What's about that?
Give me grand car. No, we are the man. Is in. Make the camera see what one.
Give me 5 bills.
So wait, we say give me
me 5 bills.
give me 250.
You know, guys, let me show you how much.
Give me 5 bills.
Turn up, people.
On to the next.
This video was sponsored by Bridge Official.
Ready?
The first one is what's the bridge?
Watch the bridge.
Yeah, what's the bridge?
No.
Yeah.
Alright, you have 5 seconds for answer. Go on. Think about it.
Make your option them. A, a shoe brand. B, a clothing brand. C, a electronic store. Which one?
Say it back over there, bad bro. Say it back over.
Question is, what's the bridge? A shoe brand. B, a clothing brand. C,
Electronic store.
C.
Electronic store.
C,
Eh.
electronic store.
Yeah.
That's your final answer.
Yeah.
Alright.
Next question, number 2.
Hey.
Some of my friend, my bright
What's
sparks
the
in a man.
bridge slogan?
That man good at.
What is the bridge slogan?
Yeah, 5 seconds. Watch out. Alright. Replenish the bridge.
Me give you option them. A, every journey requires the bridge. B, every journey starts with the bridge. C, the journey is the bridge.
That's a C. Yeah, me that's a C.
The journey is the bridge.
Yeah.
Their final answer?
Yeah.
Alright, my boss, what you know? The third question is, what do you do with the bridge? A, burn them.
A.
B, cross them. C, wear them.
Burn them, cross them, wear them. Pick
Which one?
Bun them up, my dog.
No, sir.
Cross them, that's what I say.
Bun them up, man. Bun them up. Bun them up. Bun them up. Bun them up.
Wow.
No. Say it back over.
What do you do with bridge? A, burn them. B, cross them. Wear them.
Pick your choice, who like your choice.
Me no know no brand when you bridge, you know.
Hey, so what you do?
So what do you do with bridge?
Cross them, you mean cross them.
Cross the bridge.
My boy. But here was a question.
Watch out now. He did
My
not,
boy.
unfortunately, he did not answer none of the questions right. Yeah. The first question is,
Hold on. What?
what's the bridge?
What's the bridge? A shoe brand, a clothing brand, or electronic store?
Dog, you know, say me a bridge boss already. It's a
I lie.
brand, dog. You see me? Me a
Alright, you get the first question right. So you're 250 away from getting the $1,000.
Alright. So the second question. What's the bridge slogan?
Give me option.
Give me options then. Every journey requires what?
Every journey begins with the bridge.
Alright. That you stick with.
No, every journey requires a bridge, sir.
That you stick with.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Give me last question, my boss.
Last question.
Boom.
What? You ready?
Yeah.
What do you do with the bridge? Burn them, cross them, wear them.
Wear them.
Boom. Ding, 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 ding,
So wear
ding, ding, ding,
bridge.
ding, ding.
Then they are,
How
yeah.
much bridge you have? How much bridge close you have?
Me have 2 pullover.
Boom.
They're reasonable though.
Yeah, dog, them bad still.
Quality hot dog.
Yeah, dog.
Alright, people say here, get your bridge right now. Oh, you can get them right up.
Jaffy Tozla. Jaffy Tozla.
Give me $1,000, dog. Give me $1,000. What's the reach up? Yo, you know no change. You know no change. Forward, that's one of my friend.
No, same. Forward, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, they're not here.
Ross. On the IG, just Teshan.yk, TESEAN.yk. On the TikTok, just Teshan, is me? Do you right?
This video was sponsored by Bridge. I
Big up Prince for this world.
This is because I'm rich, you did. And then give you master, me did. Because we're asking feet, you did. So what you know?
do. We have put your right on the screen.
Yeah, so we have the master, man.
So we have them now. Anyways.
So that's rep the bridge. Every journey require the bridge. Because we cool like fridge. Boom.
Oh. Today we are playing.
Fuck, we are doing a vox pop. We have 3 questions for you.
Yeah, 3 questions and you win 1,000. You ready for that?
Standing pertaining to you know.
Bridge. Yeah.
Alright, so watch out now.
First question is,
Hold on, man. First question. What's bridge? A, a clothing brand. B, a clothing brand. C, a clothing brand.
I think one place where you can use to cross go somewhere. I think no that bridge be. Yeah. And that's honestly. But other than
Second
that,
question. Hold on. Second question. What do you do with the bridge? A, burn them. B, wear them. C, cross them.
which one of them?
wear them.
Alright.
Oh wait, you wear bridge with your cross, man. You see, you look like idiot now.
And I just say, I think
you
we're the
walk.
cross, man.
So
you wear
you
bridge.
wear them.
Yeah, that's a film bridge when we did classified though. But the right bridge are the bridge where you cross, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Next one. What's the bridge slogan?
One B.
What?
What the man just said?
One B.
Be a dot in me. Be a dot.
Yeah, one B and one R. One right B and one upside down R.
That's a logo.
Yeah.
That's a logo.
Am I not right?
Why just look on the shirt and get it? Why?
Our bridge slogan.
What is?
Yeah, then that messy.
Our
What
bridge
is
slogan.
Every journey requires the what? Bridge.
You still get it wrong because you just say I want a logo. You tell about a while ago, you know? And we ask you why slogan. You just get it now.
Yeah.
You just
Yeah,
get
me still not get it. Me still confused. Me still confused.
What is a logo?
Something where you use to promote something.
But alright, watch out now, we not get the toes la. I get 3 questions in. If you get the 3 questions in right to win 1 toes la. Is in, so watch out now.
I need some lunch.
Me too. So, yeah,
I'm hungry.
Yeah, buy lunch for me and you. Yeah, buy lunch for me and you.
Picture away.
Chichi away.
That's our party $300 for one. But who are gonna get the juice?
4.
Radio.
Alright, watch out now, watch out now. The first question is, what's the bridge?
You must know that. You must know it.
Chlorine.
Alright.
What? Chlorine, brad? Chlorine?
Clothing.
Chlorine?
A clothing.
Watch out now.
Second question.
Second question is, what is the bridge slogan? Nah, again, after you're supposed to know that.
Journey.
What's your status up?
The bridge. I know I'm a supporter.
Yeah.
Supporter.
Every journey requires a bridge.
Eh? Which bridge?
This bridge.
Okay.
And this bridge. I ain't got no
Okay,
bridge.
okay. Watch out now.
Alright, so watch now. Last question.
Last
question.
What bridge?
Hold on. 3 questions now. So you saw the $1,000 question. Where did the bridge? Where it burn it cross it?
Where?
Nobody can cross it.
Where is?
That concept kind of easy for you still, you know. But that's your bridge on one side.
One bridge shirt.
Hold on.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Mr. Dishon.
Hey, Mr. Dishon, this is Deandra Aisha Wallace from the Double D. I can't come out, I'm a shot. Yeah, so, yeah, I want to get.
See toes lie, Bridging.
This is, stop doing that. I want to get a Bridge official sweater and a shirt. Extra small for the tickers. Like, show my booty. Show my booty.
Ticker, Anna.
Yeah, so that's me.
Come on, I'm here, you know. Alright, so give her the toast now. Thank you for participating, ma'am.
participating
You may
in
not
this
have a
one.
wonderful day, and you can buy all the
No, this a prank.
I'm not prank.
Let's say light. Alright, Chana.
Oh, can I get a bonus question? I get 1100.
No, give me back it Angela. Don't do that. Don't do that. Give me back it Angela.
Text him.
Hold on. No, you're not. Alright, see toes lie, you know. Yeah.
Alright, that is it. So,
On to
this
the
video was
next.
sponsored by Bridge.
Leave me alone. So today we're doing a Fox Pop.
We're asking you 3 questions, you win them, you get $1,000. Ready? Ready?
I'm so distracted right now.
So,
Okay, so watch out this now. The first question is, what is the bridge?
What?
what is the bridge?
the bridge?
A, a clothing store.
B, a shoe store, or
C,
C, a electronic store? Up my general.
Shoe store.
All right, that is the first. That is the final answer.
What are the repeating question? No? Repeating question. No?
2. Oh, what is the bridge?
What is a bridge? And then the option. No?
A, B, shoe store, C, a electronic store.
The first one. No?
What?
The first one. No? The
What?
clothing store.
Okay, all right. So the second, B. The second question is.
Yeah, man, distracted.
Where you gone?
What should I push me down for?
What teacher? Forward.
Minute.
Ready. The second question is, what is the bridge slogan?
A,
What is the bridge slogan?
A.
Why again? Oh, the journey requires the bridge. B, the journey starts with the bridge. C, the journey is the bridge.
Which one?
Which one?
B.
Ding dong.
B, the journey starts with the bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the last, first
Last
answer, last answer.
The last
Okay,
answer.
Yes.
Alright. So watch out now.
Mona say. Alright, watch out. Woo!
Alright, so watch out now. So the last
question is, what do you do with bridge? A, you wear them. B, you burn them. C, you cross them.
Boom.
Because nobody cannot cross it.
Only who
C.
understand. See?
You cross them.
Alright, see. Alright, see it is. Definitely see.
Even you cross them.
See it is.
So, see it is, you cross them. So,
Just cross
unfortunately,
it the way they are going, please.
Yeah,
Thank you for
unfortunately-
participating, ma'am.
yeah, thank you for participating.
$1,000.
Watch out.
Boom.
It's unfortunate she never get that.
Yeah.
It is.
You get two wrong.
OTP control. Motion.
So watch out, people. On to the next. On to the next.
On to the next.
Mommy money.
What is that? This is for some. What's the bridge? I will give you an answer then.
Oh no man. Alright.
Pull the chat, my father.